Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today I'm going to show you that how you can create buttons in Jotform table and how in just a single click you can send webhook data automatically to Pabbly Connect via Jotform tables using buttons. So for that I just need to take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today I'm going to show you that how you can send webhook data via Jotform tables using button. Now suppose we are having data of a lot of form submission and we only want to send some specific data via webhook in a single click. So we want to decide the data that we want to send to our automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here what we are going to do is that first we are going to create a button in our Jotform table and we are going to connect Jotform with Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook. Now here my objective is to send webhook data via Jotform tables using button in single click. So here what I need to do is I need to set up a connection between Jotform and Pabbly Connect, and here I want to send the data that I have in my Jotform table in a single click by using button. So how I'm going to do this and how I can connect Jotform with Pabbly Connect via webhook. So for that I'm going to give a step-by-step instruction, and first we need to open a new tab, and here we are going to search for pabbly.com/connect, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that I need to click here on this access now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here what I want is I want to create a new workflow. For that I need to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send webhook data via Jotform tables using button. So this is going to be the name of my workflow, and now I'm going to click on create. And it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So for connecting Jotform with our Pabbly Connect, we need to first set up our trigger, and here my trigger application is going to be webhook. So I'm going to use webhook by Pabbly to connect Jotform with Pabbly Connect. Now I need to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and catch webhook will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, and here I have received this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Pabbly Connect and Jotform. So I'm going to use this particular webhook URL to connect Jotform and to receive the data. So first what I need to do is I need to copy this webhook URL, and now I'm going to take you to my Jotform account. And here in Jotform I'm going to use this form which is named as lead form. And now what is going to happen is that all the submission that I'm going to receive from this form is going to get stored in a table in Jotform. So I'm going to access that table. So for that I need to click here on this more button. I need to go to submissions. And here this is my Jotform tables. So all the submission of my Jotform are going to get added here. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new button. And in that button I'm going to add my webhook. So whenever I'm going to click on that button, automatically the data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now for adding my button, what I need to do is I need to click on this add button. And here I'm going to go to buttons. And in buttons, I'm going to use this option of send data via webhook. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to click on next, and here I need to first give my column name. So here my column name will be send data. So this is going to be my column name, and I'm going to click on next. And now I have to add my webhook. So for adding my webhook, I'm going to first clear this, and I'm going to paste that webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here, and I'm going to click on complete integration. So here I have created this button, and I have connected Pabbly Connect with Jotform via webhook. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see it is waiting for response. So how we are going to get this response? For that, let me take you back to Jotform. Now in this table, we are going to get the form submission, and all the data is going to add in new rows. So if I only want to send some specific data of some specific row, So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my button, and now by a single click, I can send the data of that row to Pabbly Connect. So suppose I'm getting the submission of specific lead that I think that can convert into a customer. So I can send the data of that lead to Pabbly Connect. So for sending the data, I just need to click on my button, and I have sent my data automatically to Pabbly Connect. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received the response. So in the response, I have all these details. So I have the phone number of my lead. I have the email, which is demouser@pabblytudes.com. I have the first name, which is demo. I have the last name, which is user. So here we can see that by using a single click, I have sent the webhook data automatically to Pabbly Connect. So here we can see that by using my button in my Jotform table, I can send the specific data that I want to send to Pabbly Connect. And now, as I am receiving the webhook data from Jotform table, what I can do is I can set up my Actions tab and I can complete my workflow. So in the Actions tab, I can use any other application like Gmail for doing the email marketing. I can use my CRM platform to automatically add my lead in my CRM platform. And also I can send automated messages on WhatsApp, or directly I can send SMS. So by setting up my Actions tab, I can do all this and I can complete my workflow. So here we have connected Jotform tables with Pabbly Connect by using Webhook. And now within a single click or by using the button in Jotform table, I can send the specific data to Pabbly Connect. So here, this was a step-by-step instruction of how you can set up a button in Jotform tables and how you can send Webhook data via Jotform tables using button to Pabbly Connect. So here you can use all these steps to set up your workflow, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.